MTS Aviation. United A321 Neo. Did not plan on getting this, but everywhere else they're out of stock. So I was like, if I want this model and I don't want to pay a fortune for it, I'm gonna have to do something about it. So whether it is out of stock or not, it is what it is. I did want this model, so here we go. Without further ado. Very weird packing. It's gonna make a mess. There it is. There it is. Here's my invoice. Come off to the side. MTS. Let's see how these guys did. Did me good or did they not? Oh, these silly peanuts. In the protective wrap. You know how I love my protective wrap. So far, so good. Okay. Looks like it's factory sealed. So, let's hope it's not broken. There she is. Brand new. The obligatory shine. Side of the box. Gemini 200. So this is one of their 25th anniversary ones. I unboxed the A330 900 Neo and the A319 that are also 25th anniversary. I have the A320, Delta A320 CO, current engine option on order, and I have one more special airplane coming pretty soon here too. But the moment of truth. There's the stand. There she is. The reveal. Pratt and Whitney, PW GTF 1100s. Nose of the aircraft. That wing doesn't look so great. The fitment doesn't look so great. But this is brand new. The Delta A321 kind of has the same issues. Gear is okay, kind of stuck. I love those Pratt & Whitney engines though. Yeah, wing fitment definitely not great. But the nose looks good. I like it. So, as the newer Gemini molds and stuff comes out, it's got the same issues that the 777 has. The finish is okay at best. You see the engine finish is okay. Fitment is okay. It's not the best I've ever seen. The older models definitely have better fitment and quality control. But the nose looks good on this one. Just appalled at how bad that wing fitment is. That's really bad. Not sure I'm going to put this one on the stand. I'm going to show you my new display. There she is. Alright, check out the new displays. This is a used IKEA Delthof. Looks very nice at night, as we can see. United 777. United 757 down here. This 787-8 is the best Gemini model I've ever received in terms of quality. And here's the rare A319. So this also can change colors. The camera doesn't really like it, but which is really cool. I like that. Go back here. Open it. So this model has kind of the same issue. The blue is lighter. And the quality, see that? Reflective finish, it's not very good. At least this wing fits. But on the older ones, you can see, look at the finish. Look at how shiny it is. The blue is darker. This model is just absolutely fantastic. This 787 here. This one's pretty good. Has a couple little issues, but like I said, I don't think I've received a model that's perfect yet, so. I don't really know where else to put it. I'm sure this shelf is really low. And obviously I'll probably accumulate more United models. A319, A321. And I'm still working on this shelf. This is where the next special model is going to go, but here is Delta's A321, which I think I prefer just because of the raccoon mask. Here's Delta's A319 that we unboxed. Let's see, this is my Airbus shelf. This is the Boeing shelf, plus CRJ, ERJ. Two completely different styles, all achieve the same goal though, to display lovely model airplanes. Put that on fade for a minute. Cool. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. You won't want to miss it.